What college?
Covenant.
Congo?
Covenant.
I know you also know fashion stupid.
Yeah, he wants me to go with him.
Are you going to?
I don't know.
What did it do?
It just... No, you're fine.
Oh. What are you gonna say about the Jefferson one? Because all I did was go to the bathroom there. Favorite one of these? What are you gonna do about the Jefferson one? Because all I did was go to the bathroom there.
She just said that to Matt, by the way. What?
Erin was telling you she had to go to the bathroom.
Congratulations. Does she want a cookie?
I want a cookie. Yes. Kyle promised me one.
Go buy yourself a cookie.
They don't sell cookies here. Everybody's mean. I want a cookie.
On a temperature of like 80 degrees.
I want a cookie. Me too.
Cookie!